Good morning children. Today we are going to learn semester 2 chapter 15 profit and loss. What is mean by profit and loss? The extra money earned by selling an article is called profit or gain. The money lost by selling an article is called loss. Now see in your textbook, here they have given a case like Rohan bought a pair of shoes for 750 rupees. He sold it to his friend for 950 rupees. Now, did he suffer a loss or did he enjoy a gain? Yes, he did gain because he bought it for 750 rupees and he sold it to his friend for 950 rupees. That means 200 more rupees he got as a profit. So he enjoyed that. If Rohan buys shoes for 750 rupees and sells it for 650 rupees, he suffers a loss. In the above two cases, the price Rohan paid for the shoes is called the cost price of the shoes. Cost price, we can write it as CP. The amount he sold it for is called the selling price. Selling price, we can write it as SP. When he sells it for more than the cost price, he makes a profit or gain. That means selling price is greater than cost price, then it leads to profit. When he sells it for less than the cost price, he makes a loss. That means selling price is less than the cost price, then it will be loss. So here selling price minus cost price is gain or profit. Profit means you keep on smiling, right? Cost price minus selling price is loss. Loss means they'll feel unhappy. Now let us observe and learn. Here Rohit bought a box for 75 rupees. He sold it for 120 rupees. Did he make a profit or loss? He makes a profit since selling price is more than the cost price. See here, he bought box for 75 rupees and he sold it for 120 rupees. So, selling price is more than the cost price, right? Now, how much is the profit he got it? Profit is equal to, how we will find this profit? Selling price minus cost price. Selling price minus cost price is equal to profit. So here 120 rupees minus 75 rupees, then we will get the answer as 45 rupees profit. So here they are asking what is the profit percentage. Profit is 45 rupees out of 75 rupees cost price. So profit percentage, we should know the formula. See here, profit is equal to profit by cost price into 100. Now here 45 is the profit, 75 is the cost price. So 45 by 75 into 100 will get the answer as 60%. Okay, fine. Now we shall see the second question. If cost price of an article is 450 rupees and selling price is 400 rupees, will it produce a loss or gain? find the loss percent or gain percent here. See, first what we have to check, cost price and selling price, which is less or which is more. Now in this case, see, 450 rupees is the cost price and selling price is 400 rupees. If selling price is less than the cost price, then it leads to loss. So loss is equal to selling price minus cost price minus loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. So what is the cost price here? 450 minus 400 selling price. So answer is 50 rupees loss. So now we have to find out the loss percentage. So what is the formula for this loss percentage? Loss percentage is equal to loss by cost price into 100. Okay. Now see here, loss percentage 50 by 450 into 100. So here cancel the zeros and 5 nines are 45. So 1 by 5 ones are 5 here. So 1 by 9. If we cancel this 45 and 5, it remains as 1 by 9. Okay. Into 100. We have to multiply by 100. Then it comes as 100 by 9. If we divide this 100 by 9, we will get the answer as 1 by 9%. Now see the third question. Cost price CP of an article is 800 rupees. Its selling price SP is 1040 rupees. Find the loss percent or profit percent. So here cost price is 800 rupees. Selling price is 1040 rupees. So we will get an idea like selling price is more than cost price, then it leads to profit, right? So now find out the profit. What is the formula for this? Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. That is 1040 minus 800. The profit is 240 rupees. Now we shall calculate the profit percentage for this. So profit how much? 240. Cost price 800. So 240 divided by 800 into 100. Now see here, cancel these two zeros and in 800 cancel these two zeros. Then what has been remained over? 240 divided by 8. That is equal to 30. So 30% is the profit percentage. Now see the fourth bit. A shopkeeper buys a fan for 400 rupees and sells it for 340 rupees. Find the loss and loss percentage. So they have given clearly, they are asking us to find the loss and loss percentage. So we got the idea like selling price is less than cost price, right? Now what is the formula to find out the loss here? Loss is equal to selling price minus cost. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price, right? So 400 minus 340 is equal to 60 rupees is the loss. Now loss percentage, we have a formula. What is that? Loss percentage is equal to loss by cost price into 100. Now 60 by 400 into 100. Now cancel the zeros. In 100 two zeros cancel, and in 400 cancel these two zeros. Now the remaining number is 60 divided by 4. So how many times the 60 goes in 4 table or 15? See here, 15 fours are 60 or 4 15s are 60, right? So the percentage is 15. So what is the loss percentage? It is 15%. Now for all these things we have to remember some formulas. What are they? I will tell you here. See, profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price into 100. So profit is equal to profit percent by 100 into cost price. Okay. And see here, we have to remember this. Profit, if we want to find out the profit, what we have to do first? We have to subtract selling price minus cost price. Then we will get the profit. Likewise, see here, selling price is equal to cost price plus profit to find out the selling price. Likewise, to find out the cost price, we will subtract selling price minus profit. Then we will get the cost price. Likewise, loss. Loss is equal to how we will find cost price minus selling price, we will get the loss. Selling price minus loss, we will get the cost price minus loss, we will get the selling price. Now to find out the cost price, what we have to do? We have to add. That means selling price plus loss, if we add, then we will get the cost price. And you know the profit percentage, how we will calculate the formula, or to find out the profit, how we will calculate. These are the formulas. See, profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price into 100, or profit is equal to profit percent by 100 into cost price. Likewise for loss. Loss percentage is equal to loss by cost price into 100, or loss is equal to loss percentage by 100 into cost price. So now let us do it. See here, they have given a table to complete the table here. Cost price, selling price, and some blanks they have given profit, loss, and P percent means profit percentage. L percent means loss percentage. We have to find out according to the given table questions. Now here in A bit, they have given cost price 750 rupees and selling price 700 rupees. Now ultimately we are getting an idea that cost price is more than selling price. That means it is loss only, no? So how much is loss? Selling price is less than cost price. So it is loss. So the formula for selling price, or to find out the loss, cost price minus selling price is equal to loss, right? So here you see the table they have given. Cost price minus selling price is equal to loss, right? Now see here, 750 minus 700. So what is the amount we are getting is 50. So this is the loss. Now loss percentage we have to find out. What is the formula for the loss percentage? Loss percentage is equal to, see, I have given a calculation here, you see in this. Loss percentage is equal to loss by cost price into 100. Now how you will do it? Loss is 50 rupees and the cost price is 750 rupees. So 50 by 750 into 100. Right? Now cancel the zeros here. 5 15s are 75. right? So cancel the 5s also here, and here 15 remains. Cancel the 75s and 15 remains here. So 100 by 15. How you will get this 6.6? If we do the division 100 by 15, we are getting 6.66 something as the loss percentage. So I am showing you the working column here. So you also do in your notebooks very neatly working column and find out like this and write clearly, so that when you refer for your future exams or to, then it will be easy for you to understand. Now see here the working column you observe now. 100 divided by 15. So 15 6 are 90. 100 minus 90 is 10. So any numbers are there after this? No. So I kept a point, that is decimal over here. Right. Now I added a 0. Again 15 6 are 90. So again I minused from 100. 100 minus 90 is 10. So this process is continuously going on. So I stopped somewhere 6.6. So loss percentage is 6.6%. Likewise, you see the B bit. B bit you do it on your own. Okay. The question is same like finding out the loss. They have given cost price 8,000 rupees and selling price is 7,000 rupees. See here in the textbook. Now here selling price is less than the cost price. Then it comes as loss, right? How much loss? You see now the formula is for loss cost price minus selling price. That is 8,000 minus 7,000 is equal to 1,000 rupees. Now you have to find out the loss percentage. So this is the working column and this is the answer 12.5%. You do it on your own. Now C bit. Here they have given cost price 5,400 rupees and selling price they have given 6,000 rupees. See in the textbook also. Okay. Now what we have to find out here, they are asking to find out profit percentage. Right. See here. Selling price. If selling price is more than the cost price, then this is profit. Right. So we have to minus from selling price, cost price. So selling price is how much here? 6,000. 6,000 minus 5,400, the profit is 600 rupees. Okay, now we shall find out the profit percentage. So profit percentage formula is profit by cost price into 100. Right? Now profit percentage we have to find out now. Formula you know. Profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price into 100. Right. So here profit is 600. By cost price is how much? 5,400 into 100. Now cancel the zeros over here. And 600 by 54. Now see here I have done a working column for you. How it goes. So at the end I got the answer as 11.1%. Now D bit. Here in the question textbook they have given cost price 500 rupees. We don't know the selling price. And they have given the profit as 100 rupees. Now you find out. I won't explain you. You do the D bit as well as E bit. Okay. Even D, E, F and G bits also you do on your own. Fine. Now we shall move to read, think and solve. Here first question. Mr. Sharma bought a machine for 25,500 rupees. He sold it for 28,500 rupees. What is the cost price, selling price, profit and profit percentage? So they have given the question like this. Now solution we have to find out. Here by seeing this 28,500 and 25,500, now we have to find out like solution. See, Mr. Sharma makes a profit because selling price is more than the cost price, right? See, cost price is here 25,500, selling price is here 28,500. So selling price is greater than cost price, then it leads to the profit, right? Now how we will find the profit? Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, that is 28,500 minus 25,500. The answer is 3,000 rupees profit. Now calculate the profit percentage. Profit percentage is equal to the formula we know, like profit by cost price into 100, right? Now 3,000 by 25,500 into 100. Cancel the zeros. Now 3,000 by 255. So I have done a working columns for you. See here. First what I have done, I found a LCM for 3,000. LCM means you know, least common multiple for 3,000. Okay. See, 3,000 divided by 3 is how many times? 1 time. So 1,000 divided by 5 is 200. So 3 into 5 into 200 by, now 255. See here we have cancelled these two zeros in 100 and here in 25,500, right? Now for 255 I am trying to find out the least common multiple. See, 255 divided by 3 is 85. 85 divided by 5 is 17. So my answer is 3 into 5 into 200, 3 into 5 into 17. So I am cancelling this 3 into 5. Okay, it remains 200 by 17. Now I can do the division easily over here. 200 divided by 17 is easy than doing division for 3,000 divided by 255. See, such a lengthy measurements, multiplication, subtractions, we can't do it, right? So this is simple method by finding out the least common multiple and doing the division. See now, 200 divided by 17. 17 ones are 17. So minus 20 minus 17 is 3. Bring down the 0. Again 17 ones are 17. 30 minus 17 is 30. 13. And put the point over here and add the 0. 30 minus 17 is 13. Then put the point over here and add the 0. Now here 17 sevens are 119. Multiplication table. Okay, 17 sevens are 119. So now minus from 130. Then what we got the answer as 110. Again 17 6 are 102. Again subtract from 110 minus 102. So here we got 8. The percentage what we got at the last is 11.76 is the profit percentage. Okay. So all these what I have written in pencil are the working column. Okay. You write neatly in the notebook working column side under this. Under the working column you have to write all these. Okay. Fine. Now we shall move to the question number B. Manu bought a bike for 48,500 rupees. He sold it to Manish for 47,045 rupees. What is the cost price, selling price, loss and loss percentage? So this sum you do it on your own as the same example of EBIT. There we found the profit and profit percentage, and here we have to find the loss and loss percentage. Okay, you do it on your own. Now CBIT. See here, a dealer bought a saree for 286 rupees and sold it at a profit of 75 rupees. Find the selling price. Now solution. Cost price is how much? 286 and profit is 75 rupees. Now we don't know the selling price. What is the formula for selling price? Cost price plus profit is selling price. Now how much if we add 286 plus 75 is 361. This is the selling price. Now see here, debit. A book was bought for 75 rupees and sold for 80 rupees. Find the profit percent. Now solution, see, he makes a profit because selling price is greater than the cost price, right? So 80 is greater than 75. Profit, how we will find here? Selling price minus cost price. 80 minus 75 is 5. Now find out the profit percentage. So this is the working column I have done for you. You do it. I won't explain for you. Okay. Here 100 by 15 we can write as 610 by 15 or directly this 6.66 percentage as profit percentage. Now we shall move to the next bit, EBIT. See here. Harbhajan bought a house for 5 lakhs rupees and sold it for 6 lakhs 50,000. Find the profit and profit percentage. Solution again. See, selling price is greater than cost price and we have to find out the profit over here. So selling price minus cost price is 1,50,000 rupees. See here. Right? Now find the profit percentage. So you do it on your own with the working columns. Okay. Now F bit. See here. Suraj bought a car for 7,25,000 and sold it for 5 lakhs rupees. Find his loss and loss percentage. Solution, how to find first? Selling price is less than the cost price. That means to find out the loss over here, what is the formula? Selling price cost price minus selling price is equal to loss. So here what is the cost price? 7,25,000 minus 5 lakhs. The loss is 2,25,000. 2,25,000 is the loss. Now find out the loss percentage here. We know the formula. Loss percentage is equal to loss by cost price into 100. Right. Now 2,25,000 divided by 7,25,000 into 100. Now cancel the zeros wherever is possible. So cancel these zeros. Now what we got here? 225 by 725. Now in working column what I have done? I found the LCM for this 225. 225 divided by 5 is how many times? 45. We got the answer. So 45 divided by 5 is 9. So write as 5 into 5 into 9. Likewise find out for 725. So 725 divided by 5 is 145. 145 divided by 5 is 29. So write 5 into 5 into 29. So cancel these all 5s, 9 remains here, and here if we cancel the 5s, 29 remains. So write as 25 into 9 into 100, right? Divided by 25 into 29, that is 900 by 29. So the answer is 31.03%. See here, this is the working column I have done for you. You know the divisions, right? Thank you, children. Stay safe. Take care. Loss percentage we have to find out now. Loss percentage is equal to formula we know, loss by cost price into 100. So here loss is 2,25,000 and the cost price is 7,25,000. So 2,25,000 divided by 7,25,000 into 100. Right. Now cancel the zeros wherever it is possible. So we have cancelled here 125 into 100. Right. So in the working column, first what I have done, I found the least common multiple for 225. So 225 divided by 5 is 45. 45 divided by 5 is 9. So I have written as 5 into 5 into 9. Likewise for 725. Working column I have done to find out the LCM. So 725 divided by 5 is 145 and 145 divided by 5 is 29. So I have written as 5 into 5 into 29. So here 5 5s are 25 into 9 and into this 100 I wrote over here, divided by. This part we have to write over here. Again see here 5 into 5 is 25 into 29. Now if we cancel this 25s, how much has been remained over? 9 into 100 by 29. So 900 by 29. The answer is 31.03%. This is the working column over here. You please check it. G. Bit. Shiva bought a cot for 1,250 rupees. She sold it at a profit of 10%. Find the selling price here. So we don't know the selling price. We know only cost price. So how we will find the solution for this? Cost price is equal to 1,250 rupees. Profit they have given in percentage 10%. Selling price we have to find out. So how we will do? 1,250 into 10 by 100, or directly we can write as 12,500 by 100. Now cancel these two zeros. Okay. Now what here it was remained? 125 by 1. 125 by 1 is 125. Right. So selling price is equal to, now we are finding here selling price plus profit. that is 1250 plus 125. The answer is 1375 is the selling price. Thank you children. Take care. Stay safe.